Okay, I got those chopped up now. Now as for your tools, I try to do things as very minimalistic as I can. And like this Sawzall, you know, yes, you're gonna have to get a few things along the way. You might want to get a battery operated one, but this one works good. So am I ever going to get a battery operated one that's just as powerful as this? Probably not. You know, if I worked construction every day, I probably would. This is gonna last me. Plus I have a little battery operated one that's a little tinier than this. I could have cut them off, like I say, but it would have taken me way longer. And yes, you're gonna have to break down and get a few extension cords and a few bits and pieces along the way, but that's the beauty of doing things yourself, because once you buy it, you can use it again and again and again. And now you can afford to buy all these different tools that I have. Why? Because you're doing it yourself. You're saving all that money. I tell you, anytime you call a service tech to come in your house to do anything, I don't care what it is, it's probably going to cost you 250 bucks out the door. And that's a minimal project, you know. And why not learn how to do these things on your own? And like all this landscaping, everything I'm going to be doing here, there, over here, over there, this side over here, you know, if I had a landscaper guy come in here, he's probably going to charge me $40,000, maybe more. Usually when I'm guessing, I can't guess the right amount because everything costs so much more. So that's why I like to do things on my own. That's why I'm making my videos, to show you that if I can do it, an average Joe, you can do it too. Okay, keep watching, more to learn.